In this video, we will build a computer bit. Computers store information as ones and zeros, which is represented by a high or low voltage signal. The most common way to store information is a type of storage called SSD, or solid-state drive, where it uses electronic circuits themselves to store information. One type of these circuits is called a set reset NOR latch, or simply SR NOR Latch, where it stores one computer bit. Let's build one. To start, you will need the following: one breadboard, a power source, one 7402 integrated circuit, two buttons, one LED, one 4.7K resistor, two 6.8K resistors, and multiple jumper wires. Step 1. Connect power to the breadboard. Step 2. Place the integrated circuit in the middle of the breadboard, ensuring that the notch is pointed to the left side. Step 3. Place two buttons to the left of the integrated circuit across the break in the breadboard. Step 4. Connect the left side or input of each button to the positive power rail. Step 5. Connect two 68K pull-down resistors from the negative power supply to the output of the button. Step 6. Connect your integrated circuit to ground and VCC. Ground is the bottom right and VCC is the top left. Keep in mind that only the top power rails are powered. The negative ones are not receiving power from the power supply. If we wanted to power the bottom ones, we would have to jump across them with a wire for each positive and negative. Step 7. Place an LED to the right of the integrated circuit, with a positive side of the LED to the left. Step 8. Connect the negative power rail to the negative leg of the LED. Step 9. Connect the positive side of the LED to the bottom left corner of the integrated circuit. Step 9. Connect the output of the left button to the third pin from the bottom left, leaving a gap of 1 between the previous wire. Step 11. Repeat with the right button by placing the output of the button to the first pin to the left of ground, or the second pin from the bottom right. Step 12. Connect the bottom left pin to the third pin from the right. Lastly, connect the second pin from the bottom left to the fourth pin from the bottom left. The circuit is now complete. If we look inside the integrated circuit, which is a 7402, which is made up of NOR gates connected as shown, we connected an input of the button to an input of the NOR gate and crossed the other input with the other output. Doing this creates a single SR NOR latch circuit. These two buttons act as the set and reset latch. By pressing the right button, we can see that the light turns on, and it stays on even when it's not pressed anymore. If we press it again, it doesn't do anything, since it's already set on. To turn it off, we need to reset it by pressing the button on the left. This resets the light, and it will stay off until we click the set button again. This acts as a simple way to store information in your circuit. Some integrated circuits even have built-in SR NOR latches. Using this circuit may be useful to creating more complicated circuits in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.